Well, hello, YouTube. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a lawsuit out of Portland, Oregon, where the city of Portland is looking to settle a lawsuit for $100,000 to a protester who claims he was arrested for refusing to put down a sign. If you like this type of content and would like to see more content like this one, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, or a news story you would like me to cover, please send me an email at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Now, let's take a deep dive on this lawsuit. A man who sued the police after they allegedly arrested him for refusing to give up a sign he was holding at a protest last year in favor of Black Lives Matter movement may be awarded a $100,000 settlement by the city of Portland. Dmitry Stoyanov, 40, claims that in September 2020, police pepper sprayed him, threw him to the ground, and arrested him illegally. Mr. Stoyanov claimed that on September 28, 2020, he was carrying a sign that stated, "Vote, register here," at a rally in Keaton Park when police tried to seize it for no legal reason. Police allegedly pepper sprayed him in the face and in the eyes, pulled him to the ground, kicked him, and handcuffed him as he sought to cling on to the sign. According to court documents, Mr. Stoyanov was charged with interfering with police during this incident, but these allegations were dismissed during an arraignment. The clashes between police and the demonstrators in Portland in the summer of 2020 gained national attention and widespread condemnation. According to city records, Mr. Stoyanov's tentative settlement is part of a total of $335,000 the city has paid or is likely to pay this year for protest-related cases involving the police response. In a complaint accusing Portland police of beating her, a woman who attended the summer 2020 protest as a freelance photographer obtained a $50,000 settlement. A 22-year-old Montana man was given $5,000 to settle a lawsuit alleging local cops infringed on his free speech rights and arrested him illegally. The settlements the city has paid this year go back much further than the protest from the summer of 2020. A $125,000 settlement was reached in an excessive force lawsuit filed by a man who was injured in the head by a police flashbang grenade during an August 2018 protest. Another lady was awarded $50,000 after being injured by a flashbang grenade during a demonstration in 2018. The new settlement will be voted on by the City Council on Wednesday, and it is the latest in the series of settlements this year coming from police actions during protests that date back to 2016. Mr. Stoyanov was holding his homemade sign, which was attached to a lightweight 3/4-inch PVC pipe. The officers were permitted to temporarily seize the pole from Mr. Stoyanov's sign for safekeeping, according to city attorneys, identifying it as a dangerous and deadly weapon. They claim the police were acting legally when they responded or attempted to avert a civil commotion or riot. In the end, this incident demonstrates that the city of Portland has a serious problem with police officers abusing their authority, and that something has to be done about it. Well, YouTube, I hope you like this video. If you want to watch more content like this video, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, YouTube, stay safe out there.